What's up, guys? Zach from Xavier Designs. So I'm here sanding some projects down. I got some charcuterie boards, picture frame I'm resanding for the mother-in-law, the sign from the K Heart J video, and my sander's full. So I was thinking to show this to you guys. I keep a little bucket, Ziploc bags, whatever, and whenever your sander gets full, I always take the very fine powder and I keep this. And what I do is if I get a board that has a dent or a crack or whatever, if you take a little bit of this and a little bit of wood glue and mix it together, you can make your own wood filler. And it works great. Put it on real thick with like a plastic scraper, and then sand it off once it dries. It fills all the cracks and voids real well. I know a lot of guys with the live edge river tables, they're using the epoxy and the, can't think of the black glue that they put in there and stuff like that, but I don't have any of that, and I really don't have the want to start that up right now. So I just use this, just some fine sanding powder, some wood glue, turns into like a paste, smear it over the cracks, sand it off, works fine. You gotta make sure that you sand it really super smooth, then hold it. I take my cell phone flashlight and I go back and forth, because if you still see some residue when you finish it, that residue spot's going to be there. So make sure you sand it until there's nothing left on the surface except for inside the cracks. So quick tip for the day. Thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time.